Oh, welcome back to Jaboli's Garage. We literally just got back from East Coast Polishing, picking up all the wheels. So let's check them out. Make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe, turn post notifications on, and share. All right, now let's get to the video. Oh, Jesus. We got a lot of wheels, a lot of moving blankets. Everything's so nice and shiny. Let's get unpacking real quick. First set out, Marcus's 22 by 12s. They came out absolutely insane. He polishes the backs of them. They literally look better than people's front barrels. He also got his turbo polish. I don't want to unwrap it on Marcus, but it came out sick. One set down, like how many more to go? Let's go, get going. And snow, because I know or my Derek's 24 by 14 Liberties came out crazy good. He even polished the caps. Derek also got the backsides polished because you can see them. They are crazy clear. All right, well, time to go deadlifting. This is a whole gym. Lift with the legs up. Oh yeah. Got it. Now we got my 30s. Which obviously he can only polish the front side because the back's powder coated, but killer job as always making them look better than brand new. Then we got my 26-inch dually wheels, which as you guys can see, there's a lot of spokes and it's a lot of work, especially there's 6. Came out insane. He also polished my center caps. These things were cooked from everybody wiping their dirty fingers on them to get them to spin. But he made these things look better than new again. Look, I'm looking at myself video in this. Now we got Anthony's 22 by 12s with a million spokes, but absolutely killed it. Anthony didn't want the backsides polished, but he did clean up the backsides. It's still a little bit of reflection even with just cleaning it. Awesome. And the last set of wheels, Anthony's dad's Camaro. Just the clarity Jake has is insane. All right, we should have videoed this beginning of it, but let's see who can unwrap their turbo faster.
After you dropped it first.
Come on, dude. I've done 2 fast.
Anthony's trying to do this one. There you go. She got it.
Slow poke. So we unwrapped these turbos though to get a look at them. The little baby VGT housing. Okay though, because it goes along with this housing. And then we got my cold side pipe. I didn't want to unwrap it because I'm gonna put it in the truck wrap so I don't absolutely cook it. And as always, Jake absolutely killed it. 10 out of 10 work. Highly recommend East Coast Polishing right out of Connecticut. I hope you guys enjoyed my little review. Till next time, peace out.